I got another new motor here, trying it out. It's a 1953 Elgin 5.5 horsepower. A few weeks ago I posted some pictures on Facebook of this motor while I was working the coils over, adapting some Johnson outboard motor coils to it. And we put it in the barrel and it ran real nice. Now I've got it on the boat and it just runs very smooth. Purrs like a kitten. This motor has its own gas tank. You can see the filler spout right here. And it is a 2-cylinder, 2-stroke. The black lever here is the neutral lever. It only has forward, no reverse. To get reverse, you just turn the motor around 180 degrees. We're looking at the side of it right now. Spark plugs being the rear of the motor. This is all original paint and decals yet. I plan to leave it that way. I just like the looks of the original paint and everything. Kind of tells a story. Picked this up at the flea market about 4 weeks ago and it wasn't running. So I basically cleaned the fuel tank out, some denatured alcohol and some BBs, and swished it around for a couple of days and got it cleaned out good, and cleaned the carburetor and new coils, and it runs real nice. Give us a little demonstration here. Kind of hard to do this with one hand. Getting kind of low on gas, so if it quits, it's probably because it's out of gas. This motor was built in 1953. Got to kind of watch where I'm going here. I'll run off the edge of the pond. It was sold by Sears and Roebuck. Yeah, we'll swing her around in reverse here. There we go, we got reverse now. I just gotta watch I don't grab one of those spark plugs. The spark is really hot on this thing. There is a cover to go over those spark plugs, but I've got to make some changes. The new wires were shorting out against the cover, so I've got to make some more modifications there. There's neutral. It just idles real nice. Well, there it is, a 1953 Elgin outboard motor. No connection with Elgin, Illinois.